Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying versions because mismatched Node or Ganache releases cause subtle failures. Once done, open the GUI or run Ganache CLI and capture logs, save error lines and timestamps. Make sure to check network ports 7545 and 8545 and kill any process bound to them. Also inspect project dependencies in package. JSON, incompatible Truffle or Web3 versions can break migrations. These initial checks give you the context required to choose the correct repair path and avoid guessing. You now perform the complex middle steps. Reinstall Ganache to eliminate corrupt installations and clear the workspace or cache to remove stale chain state. Run Ganache CLI with verbose logging and deterministic mnemonic to reproduce issues reliably. Next, isolate the project by removing build artifacts and node modules, then reinstall dependencies so compiled contracts match your toolchain. If migrations fail, run them incrementally and watch gas estimates. This pinpoints failing scripts. These measures isolate variables and produce. You finish by rerunning migrations and unit tests to confirm contracts deploy and transactions return receipts. Once successful, export a chain snapshot or record the mnemonic so you can reproduce the fixed state. Make sure to commit updated lock files and note any changed configuration. If problems persist, reset the workspace entirely and compare fresh logs to the originals. Often subtle permission or corruption issues reveal themselves this way. Tip: if nothing works, recreate the project in a new directory to eliminate hidden state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.